Okay, I've been at school for a million hours. I just checked my mail and I got a bunch in the mail, but my mom told me I could open this one for my birthday before Thursday. Mom's right there, but you can't see her because she's not feeling it right now. Hello? I need this to prop up.
Not feeling it.
I don't know, how else would you describe it? I don't know if I have the right scissors to open this. This is all I've got.
Okay, just be careful. Cut the sides and don't cut your hands.
Yeah, right. I think you taped it closed too well.
Okay, so open the scissors wide open and just slide it. Yeah, like that. Away from you. Exactly.
I don't know how to do this and not cut myself. It just took me 8 years and I finally opened it up. Oh, I shrunk my chair and now it's better view. Okay, you can hear my dog barking. Oh, it's almost your birthday. It is. 2 more days. Yee. Okay, let's see what's in the box. What is going on? What is...
I could have passed it up. It was the craziest thing I'd ever seen.
Oh, yes. Oh my goodness. Ooh, these are some things I like a lot. Okay, first of all, Einstein's. That's nice. You'll have a good breakfast. Torchy's is my favorite place ever because I go there once a week. And then whatever. Oh, you bought my breakfast. That's nice.
No, Daddy will buy you for breakfast.
True, but yeah. And then my little socks. My little socks have little squirrely chipmunks on them. That's, oh, I just knocked something off. So what do I do with this?
I have no idea, but it was the cutest thing I'd ever seen, so I had to have it.
So guys, I want to put together some kind of vlog from this week. I got distracted mid-sentence because I read this and it says no boring socks. Hello? Hello? Look at that. I love that. No boring socks. So now I am about to crack this open and put on some cute socks. Hello. It's Halloween. It's like 12:30. I have been up and at it since like 8 a.m. just so you know. No, I had a discussion group at like 8 and then I had to go practice for a presentation I have today at 2. I'm feeling like mediocre about it. No, our group, I feel like our content's really good. We're all really nervous, which is kind of weird. There's 9 of us, which is a lot of people for one group, but I love, it's been a fun project. So in less than 2 hours, I'm gonna be done presenting. But since I'm back now, I am the one who volunteered to print everything. So I'm about to print a bunch of documents to turn in. And I wanted to show y'all my lunch. On my dorm, they did like a Thanksgiving kind of lunch today. So I got some turkey. If you're wondering what this is, it's supposed to be like a spooky dessert. It looks really scary on camera. Okay, at least to me, looking in the viewfinder does. There's a biscuit. There's some, what is that called? Dressing? I call it dressing. Different. Some people call it stuffing. I think it depends on where you're from in the country. But yeah, I'm so excited to eat this lunch. I wanted to print the stuff first to get over with, but at this point, like, low-key might just eat lunch and then figure it out later. Hello. Every time I try to film here, I have to shorten my chair. So I just got back from my common leadership class and finished my presentation. It went really well. I'm very happy. Now I'm about to sit down and open up some mail that my mom sent me. I'm excited about this one because, actually I'm always excited about mail. I don't get mail that much, and so when I do, it's nice. But she told me to open this today. Happy Halloween! Look at your doggy! Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, that's so stinking cute. Look at this. Tomorrow I have a test that I need to study for. Right now I'm gonna chill on my bed and have some downtime because literally today I have been doing so much school stuff, just in general. Like, I've been thinking about school way too much today. That sounds kind of weird, but like, I don't know, like I've just been doing a lot of school recently and it's kind of important to me to take breaks. Kind of important to me, it is important to me to take breaks. Tomorrow is my birthday and low-key all I want to do is just chill, but I know tomorrow I'm also gonna be very stressed, so I'm trying to take this like hour of peace and enjoy that.